Unique, multi-generational find. This amazing historic home nestled on a large corner lot is just blocks away from the park and school, minutes away from downtown Norfolk, toll-free, Chesapeake and Portsmouth, as well as most military installations and the Shipyard. Renovated with new flooring, updated bathrooms, paint, kitchens, laundry rooms, roof, granite, fixtures, hardware and doors. 2 bed, 2 bath up and 1 bed, 2 bath down. Each floor has its own kitchen/laundry room, separate electric meters and hot water heaters, as well as dedicated storage. Imagine enjoying the springtime on the sprawling front porch, or entertaining or gardening in the fenced-in, rear yard. This home has it all: charm, history, updates and